Hello everyone, welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I have a delicious recipe for you guys. It's how to make Haitian spaghetti. Yes, it's very quick and easy to follow. You are going to love it. Please do consider to subscribe. Invite all your friends, your family to subscribe to this channel as well. I am sharing lots of authentic Haitian food recipes on this channel. And I also share a lot of life topics and my natural hair journey. Let's get started, guys. So as you can see here, I'm using everything that you see here on the table: the bell peppers, the onions, the hot pepper, and I am also going to use the barilla spaghetti and the hot smoked sausage. Okay, so these are all the stuff that you are going to need, including the Haitian épices, of course, which is a seasoning that we use: garlic, scallions, thyme, parsley. Um, Definitely you should put it in your Haitian spaghetti. So I go ahead and chop all the onions, the bell peppers, and the sausage. So now I'm getting ready to boil the pasta. As you can see here, I add salt into the boiling water. And once the water is boiling, I add the pasta. I am going to boil it for about 10 minutes, okay, al dente. In the meantime, I am going to start getting the pasta sauce ready. Um, just also to keep an eye on the spaghetti while you're doing the sauce. This is something that I do so I can spend less time in the kitchen. So I'm doing everything at once. So I am frying the sausage along with the Haitian épices. Again, it's a blended spice. I do have another video on my channel. After you finish watching this video, there should be an option to watch that recipe. It's a blended spice with parsley, thyme, scallions, garlic. Super delicious. It will add lots of flavor to your spaghetti. So now after I fry the sausage and the Haitian épices, the next thing to do is adding the bell peppers and the onions. I am going to let them soften up nice and well. Guys, if you like everything that you are seeing so far, please take a second to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Invite all your friends and your family to subscribe to Taisha's Cuisine. I'm posting lots of delicious Haitian recipes, authentic Haitian recipes. Also, for those of you who speak Creole and you would like to see these recipes in Creole, be sure to check out my other channel. It's Taisha's Cuisine Creole. Sou pale Creole, moi gen yon lot channel kote video poste en Creole. Okay, so now the spaghetti is all set. I am going to put it on the side, and in the meantime, I'm still preparing the sauce. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, just one. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water just to melt it nice and well. Okay, just like you see here in the video. Just just a little bit of water. And the next thing I am going to do, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. And so now is the time to add all your favorite seasonings. My Haitian épices is full with flavor. I don't need to add more. So as you can see here, I add a little bit of water to make the sauce. Okay, so for those of you who have been following this channel, you're probably aware that I don't use Maggi in my food anymore. So there's not much to do because my Haitian épices adds a lot of flavor to this, you know. But if you like, if you prefer, you can add your favorite seasoning to the sauce. It smells so delicious in here, guys. So now that the sauce is ready, I add the spaghetti and I'm going to give it a good stir to mix it nice and well with the sauce. Okay. Now tell me if this is not looking so delicious already. Like you just want to start eating it right away, right? It's super delicious. I would recommend that you give this a try because you are going to love, love, love it. Yeah, so Haitian spaghetti is filled with flavor, Like we go to another level when we make Haitian spaghetti. It's super delicious. It's one of my favorite dish, by the way. It's quick and easy. As you can see, this recipe is not complicated at all. So there you have it, guys. I hope you will give this a try. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye now.